everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using the Aver PL50's MP platform document camera, the Digipartspower AC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's specifically designed to keep your VSION PL50 running smoothly and safely, ensuring you never miss a beat during your presentations or document captures. One of the first things that stands out about this Digipartspower adapter is its commitment to safety. It comes packed with a suite of protection features that truly give peace of mind. We're talking about over-temperature protection, or OTP, which prevents overheating. Then there's OVP, over-voltage protection, safeguarding your valuable document camera from power surges. Short-circuit protection, SCP, is also built in, preventing damage in case of an electrical fault. And finally, OCP, overcurrent protection, ensures that the power delivery is always within safe limits. These aren't just buzzwords. They represent a robust design philosophy aimed at protecting both the adapter and your connected device. The manufacturer emphasizes that this adapter is crafted from high-quality materials and rigorously tested to guarantee both safety and long-term durability. It's reassuring to know that the product you're relying on for your professional or educational needs has been put through its paces to meet stringent quality standards. The claim of being made of the highest quality materials suggests a product built to last, which is exactly what you want from a power supply. Beyond its protective qualities, this AC adapter is also incredibly practical for everyday use. Its compact design and low power consumption make it exceptionally easy to carry around. Whether you're moving your Aver PL50 between classrooms, offices, or even just different rooms at home, this power supply won't weigh you down. Its small size ensures high-quality performance without being bulky, making it an ideal companion for a portable document camera setup. And for added convenience, it even features a single USB port, which can be a handy bonus for charging another small device if needed, though its primary role is powering the camera. Now, a few important notes to ensure you get the most out of this adapter and prolong its life. The manufacturer advises preventing it from falling from heights, and it's best not to throw, knock, or shake it, as this can damage the internal components. Extreme high or low temperatures can also short the life of electronic equipment, so it's recommended for indoor use only. And crucially, avoid running it overloaded. Following these simple guidelines will help ensure your Digipartspower AC adapter continues to perform reliably for years to come, keeping your Aver PL50 powered up and ready for action. It's a solid, dependable choice for anyone needing a replacement or spare power supply for their document camera.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.